Hey guys! Welcome back again sa channel ko. In today's video, share ko lang sa inyo kung paano kumita ng possible $10 in every 1 to 2 hours by doing simple jobs with your mobile phone or computer. And you can start making money. Napakadali lang guys, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So before ko pakita sa inyo yung website guys, payment proof muna tayo. So guys, kung makikita nyo dito sa PayPal account ko, naka-receive ako ng $11.33 sa client na to. Galing dun sa Pico Workers na website. So kung makikita mo yung $11.33 ko, yan yung na-earn ko sa 2 task sa isang client lang. So masasabi ko na legit talaga tong website na to. Alright guys, shoutout muna natin yung mga nagpapa-shoutout. So shoutout nga pala kay Lawrence De La Cruz. Shoutout din kay Christine May Colon. Shoutout din kay AJ TV. Shoutout din kay Mariano Jr. Germanilo. Shoutout din kay Kurt Andre Lianza. Shoutout din kay Klongs Jalani. Shoutout din kay Alger Morastil. Shoutout din kay Kathleen Joy Ilorsa. Shoutout din kay Rizel Raf Sugano. Shoutout din kay Juhari Saripada. Alright guys, so ito yung website, picoworkers.com. So ang good news dito guys is they do offer opportunities to over 50 different countries like India, US, UK, Australia, Canada, Europe, and especially dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. And no matter wherever you are. Alright guys, so upon signing up dito sa website na to is makaka-receive ka ng bonus na 7 cents. Alright, so kung makikita mo guys dito, meron siyang different method of payments or payment option. So kung makikita mo, meron siyang Skrill, Paysa, Paysafe card, Amazon gift card, check, PayPal, or Bitcoin. And yun nga guys, so papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up. So click mo lang tong sign up button dito sa top left corner. So dito guys, before ka mag-proceed sa form, make sure na basahin mo muna tong naka-red highlight dito sa top left corner. So make sure guys na real name yung ipuprovide nyo dito sa information. And of course, yung name and country, kasi i-verify nila yung identity mo before sending your earnings. And after that, you can verify yourself and your location, and after that, you can get started na. So dito guys, as soon as na nakapag-login ka na, you could get a lot of job like Facebook like, YouTube subscribe, Instagram follow, Twitter follow, anything else. And yun nga guys. So guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga featured jobs and yung ongoing jobs. So dito guys, yung featured small jobs, ito yung mga possible or ito yung mga pwede mong i-take na small jobs. So kung makikita mo guys, meron siyang YouTube, watch plus like plus comment, and you can earn 6 cents. Meron din ditong comment on blogs about sales, 13 cents, visit website plus click on article, 3 cents, and dito mag-visit ka lang ng URL plus click, then 3 cents. Ano yan guys, meron naman yung silang instruction, then magpo-provide sila ng website, and then yun, plus instruction kung anong gagawin mo. And then ito, yun nga, iOS app download plus open, 21 cents. And ayun, YouTube subscribe, 4 cents. Insta GC, 15 cents. Website click, 15 cents. Download Hapo app, 12 cents. Facebook like, 4 cents. And whatsoever. And dito naman guys, I highly recommend na every single day i-check mo tong featured ongoing jobs, kasi dito ka makakaipon ng mas malaki like $10 per hour. So kung makikita mo yung easy task daily, $1 per task, easy daily task, 20 cents per task, and yung mga great opportunity for trusted workers, 20 cents, daily task, 20 cents per task, simple daily task, 20 cents per task. So guys, the reason why they are paying us is kumikita rin sila sa atin by doing the task which is na supposed to be sila yung gumagawa. So yun. Alright guys, so meron din sila ritong referral program. So ito rin yung isa sa mga tip ko para mas malaki rin yung kitain mo dito. So guys, yun nga, paano ba nag-work yung referral program nila? So yun nga guys, bawat madi-deposit ng employers is magkaka-reward ka ng 5% or makaka-earn ka ng 5%. And sa bawat task naman ng members na matatapos nila is you will earn also 5% sa reward nila. Mas malaki yung kikitain nyo kapag marami kayong na-referred and yung downline nyo is marami silang natatapos na mga tasks. Alright guys, so yun lang. So bali guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung kinreate kong sample account. So dito guys, ito yung account ko na na-create ko kanina lang. Pag click mo yung small jobs na yan, makikita mo tong mga jobs na available na pwede mong i-take. So ayan guys, kung makikita mo yung let's say for example ito, visit website plus click 1 times, you can earn 5 cents. And then dito naman, let's say ito, create a Gmail account, 10 cents. So check natin to, create a Gmail account. So guys, dito makikita nyo yung instruction. So you must create a new Gmail account. So dito guys, pupunta ka lang sa website na yan and then click on create, then create a new email address with a username and password, complete sign up. So dito guys, ang required proof that task was finished, i-accept mo lang to, press mo lang yan, I accept this offer, and then yung email created and then yung password used. So yan lang ipoprovide mo dyan. So dito sample@gmail.com and then yung password. So after nyan guys, confirm that I have completed, click mo lang yan. Alright? So ganun lang siya. And then dito guys, yung sinasabi ko nga, ito yung highly recommend ko guys na i-check nyo daily, yung ongoing jobs. So click mo yan. So dito kasi dito ka mas makaka-earn ng mas malaki. So let's say in 1 hour, if marami kang matake dito, mas malaki yung kikitain mo. So kung makikita mo to, easy task daily, click mo lang yan. So dito nyo makikita yung description and instruction ng task, like kung kailan yung deadline ng task, kung ilang users yung nakitake dito, and yung mga conditions. So guys, yun lang. Talagang nag-enjoy ako sa pag-take ng mga tasks dito kahit small jobs lang kasi legit paying naman talaga siya. Alright guys, so kung umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo dahil na-hit na natin ang 2,200 plus na subscribers. So dahil dyan, magpapag-giveaway tayo. May 3 mananalo ng 50 pesos load. So i-comment nyo lang yung last 4 digits ng mobile phone number nyo tulad ng nasa screen. So para hindi maging bias, gagamit ako ng YouTube Random Comment Picker tool para sa mga mananalo sa giveaways natin. Alright guys, ipopost ko na lang sa Facebook page ko on Saturday night yung video ng pag-pick natin sa 3 mananalo sa free giveaways load natin. And ipopost ko rin siya dito sa YouTube community. So yun lang guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka kaagad sa next upload ko.